In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from a Binance account over to PayPal. So just go ahead and open your Binance app and then open your wallet from the bottom right to take a look at our cryptocurrency. Then open your Bitcoin wallet and then select a withdraw option. And now I need to get my Bitcoin wallet address from PayPal. So just go ahead and go to your PayPal app. Once open, you can find your crypto balance up here. If you can find it there, just go down to your finances tab and click on crypto tab and open up Bitcoin option. Once here, click on the transfer button down here. Then select receiving Bitcoin from Binance. And then copy your wallet address here and go back to your Binance and paste your wallet address. Once done, tap next. In here, just type the amount you want to transfer, or you can just tap the max if you want to transfer them all. In here, you can review everything, and when everything is sure, just go ahead and withdraw Bitcoin. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.